Today, the live cattle market was firm. The on-feed report was really uneventful, and that just made everyone look back at where their positions were. So there's very little activity today, and these quiet markets are just holding their value that they gained actually leading up to the on-feed report when they moved it from today to yesterday. So that USDA really has, let everyone know that our values are right where they are, and there has been a little bit of an uptick in some of the box beef prices and the choice as well. But the deferred months were a little bit weaker on the live cattle side. It was kind of interesting. Now feeders were steady. That slow volume is just holding the futures right where they are. They were off just slightly. I mean, really mixed, down a couple of ticks, up a couple of ticks, not much really happening. But historically, we're entering into a reassessment phase, and we, perhaps they're checking to see if maybe higher prices are ahead. I see a number of traders and fund managers really looking to get themselves positioned because that's what the expectation will be for the first quarter of 2019. So only the U.S.-China trade resolution will really move this market, and with the closing or the shutdown of the government front and center right now, it doesn't look like we're going to be looking at any kind of trade resolution at this time. The hogs also drifted lower today. The report shows the record supplies, and that market really that news actually puts a pressure on that market. So we just aren't getting through these supplies fast enough, and we're still waiting on real action from China to kind of take to relieve us from all the supplies that we have. There has been a few uptick in some of the prices as we move through the holidays, but just not enough to move the futures higher. Now, in this day of technology, the market starts to move so quickly. We had a little bit of pressure in the market all the way back, although some of the deferreds didn't go as far lower as our front months are. That just tells me that there's still a lot more volatility ahead, and I think the hog market really has the most opportunity to make a big move, especially if we have any kind of talk about this U.S.-China trade war.